Ganga is polluted, but Ganga, when it's polluted, that holiness is not gone. That dignity is not gone. The piety and purity in Ganga is not gone. When we are trying to clean Ganga and we are all working together, we must have one thing very clear in our mind, that Ganga became polluted. We are not going to make Ganga holy or divine. Ganga is divine in its own nature. Ganga is holy in its own nature. Its true nature of Ganga is that holiness is there. So even now I can share with you that here, when I look at Ganga here in Kanpur, I'm very happy that so much faith our Srivastavaji has, that he feels peaceful, but I feel very disturbed. He feels disturbed. When he is disturbed, he goes to Ganga, but when I come to Kanpur, I see Ganga, I become disturbed. That's why I'm glad that this conference is taking place right here. And when we're talking about these grand plans with HSCB and what is this bank? BC and WWF and 7 IITs and the whole country is big organizations working. Such a grand plan. But this grand plan, how it can started with a ground plan. We have to work grand plan with a ground plan.